Well, stores we know would have been really crazy busy this week anyway. Add in what's looking like that nasty winter storm, and the rush is on. Our Mara McDonald is live in Southfield tonight. And Mara, it is supply time.
It is absolutely supply time, and you know what else it is? It's prior planning prevents poor performance time. People were out and about tonight.
Okay.
Everybody knows the days just before Christmas Eve and Day, the grocery stores are packed. Add in a winter storm and it takes the rush to a whole new level, even if you do have the best of assistance.
The plan is we're getting up early tomorrow morning, my wife and I, and driving to Atlanta for my son's 30th birthday and my granddaughter for Christmas. But I have to make sure there's plenty of food for Mom while I'm gone, because when she's snowed in, I can't let her be hungry.
Laying in supplies so it will be unnecessary to have to deal with the roads. Vanessa Evans has such a menu planned for Christmas.
Christmas Eve is kind of snacky, chicken wings and stuff like that. And Christmas Day, I'm doing sort of international. I'm doing pancit and lamb. Don't go together, but, you know, and ribs.
The whole family can hibernate for a few days if they have to. It's not just grocery stores hit up hardware, and it's time for shovels, salt, and needed items to keep the snow blowers running. Don't forget to show your car some love either. How are your wiper blades? Do you have enough washer fluid?
You want to make sure to have an emergency kit in your vehicle with things like a flashlight with extra batteries, snow brush, ice scraper, portable charger or car charger for your phone.
Back here live when we were at Holiday Market in Royal Oak tonight, the big sellers, roasts of all kinds. A whole lot of wine was going out the door, probably because they have a big wine sale going. And when I was talking to their spirits manager, he says vodka at every single price point. We're live in Southfield tonight. I'm Mara McDonald. Local 4.
Yeah, Mara, that rush is on. All right, thank you. And of course, stay with Local 4 for the most updated information about the winter storm. We do have a growing collection of winter storm resources. You can find it at clickondetroit.com.
Right now, you will find live radar and updated forecasts and explanation of what makes a blizzard different from a typical winter storm. Also, info on preparing for power outages, protecting your pets, and also checking on flight delays at Detroit Metro Airport. We've got you covered.